welcome to MS Craftshop. I'm excited to finally introduce you to a paper collection I created some time ago, but haven't had the chance to share with you in detail until now. Alongside this, I'll also be showcasing a mini folio album, complete with a tutorial which will appear on my channel tomorrow. So let's dive right into the presentation of the paper collection. Initially, I set out to design a classic wedding collection. However, as the creative process unfolded, my papers naturally began to capture the magic of a wedding day from the bride's perspective. Filled with elegant wedding motifs centered around the bride, this collection became the bride's fantasy. Many of you have likely experienced the excitement and anticipation of preparing for your own wedding day. From searching for the perfect dress to selecting the right hairstyle, makeup and shoes. The preparations can be both thrilling and at times stressful. Yet, despite any challenges, the wedding day itself stands out as an unforgettable and truly cherished occasion. These papers are perfect for creating albums that capture the special moments as the bride prepares for her wedding. They also serve as a wonderful keepsake for bachelorette parties, creatively preserving cherished memories. The collection showcases a palette of light pastel tones, artfully complemented by deeper patterns. Soft shades of pink, white, beige and green set a cheerful and inviting mood, while daisies, symbols of delicacy and natural beauty, take center stage as the primary floral motif. Altogether, it's a warm and feminine collection that radiates charm and gentle elegance. You can find this collection exclusively in digital format on my Etsy store, and the link is in the video description box. Each set includes 16 unique 8x8 digital paper designs. They are easily printable on A4 paper, and for best results in scrapbooking or card making, I suggest using 190 grams or heavier stock. To enhance your creative projects, the collection comes with a set of delightful extras, also available digitally from my Etsy store. This set features 10 unique digital paper designs, including charming motifs such as wedding dresses, jewelry, bows, butterflies, flowers, gifts, perfumes, sweets, envelopes, cards, tags, and more. I hope you've enjoyed discovering this collection. All the purchase links for both the main set and the extras are conveniently listed in the description box below. And now let's move to the presentation of the mini folio album. This folio album measures 20.5 by 20.5 centimeters with a 4 centimeter spine and is designed to showcase photos in sizes of 13 by 18 centimeters, 10 by 15 centimeters, 9 by 13 centimeters and smaller. Enjoy the presentation, and I hope you will join me tomorrow to create the album together. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment and see you soon.